Hi, I am Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to Fogwing CMMS, a smart CMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. During this session, I will walk you through how to trace preventive maintenance work orders in Fogwing CMMS. Preventive maintenance ensures smooth operations and reduces unexpected breakdowns. With Fogwing CMMS, tracking preventive maintenance work orders is simple. It enables maintenance managers and technicians to stay updated on scheduled tasks. Let's get started. To begin with, log into your Fogwing CMMS account. Once logged in, click on the Preventive Maintenance menu item on the menu. This will take you to the Preventive Maintenance page, where all preventive maintenance work orders are listed. To trace a specific preventive maintenance work order, scroll through the list and select the one you need. Click on the three dots under the Action section of the chosen PM work order. From the menu, click on Trace to view the complete work order details. On the Preventive Maintenance Trace page, you'll find all relevant details, including current PM schedule, next scheduled maintenance, upcoming asset maintenance tasks. This helps maintenance teams monitor progress, track schedules, and ensure timely execution of PM tasks. And that's how you can easily trace preventive maintenance work orders in Fogwing CMMS. Start using this feature today to manage your maintenance schedules effortlessly. Thank you for watching this Fogwing CMMS demo video on how to trace the preventive maintenance work orders in Fogwing CMMS. We are excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try, your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.